Welcome to Kaliva Mixed Farm. So today what we are doing is harvesting our maize from the garden. We have over 7 acres that we do for both our piggery and our dairy section. The plants are milled for silage, but right now we are taking away the maize from the garden. Like you can see, first of all, it's a lengthy process, and like you can see, we have to first remove it from the plant, remove the maize. Each plant has 2 pieces of maize, and usually there are some that do have 3, and the variety we do is called DK777. That is what we do most of the seasons, and rarely when it is not available on the market, then we do go for other varieties like DT Max and many other varieties. So after removing it from the plant, we make small heaps like you can see, and then these small heaps are then packed into smaller sacks. So like you can see, now we are packing up to make full bags that we are then going to transport to then the farmhouse and dry them further. After drying the maize further, then we are going to repack it back and then transport it to where we mill our feeds from, and that is where we are going to make our broken from and also make the maize brand like you can see. And these are the different sizes that we do for our maize. Not as hard as the other parts, the planting and so on. This is quite faster. So we have to put the maize, like you can see, it is put in a machine, then it comes out down from this side, and after milling all these bags, then we repack again and then put in our van and transport back to our stores. This maize that we are currently getting from our gardens is not enough to sustain our farms, so we also outsource from outgrowers who sell to us the maize as maize, and then we do the milling, and where we can we also buy finished product in form of maize brand and many other feeds. In case you like to get a farm visit at Kaliva Mixed Farm, you can always pass via our numbers and book, and then we can get a slot for you and take you around our farms. Thank you very much for watching Kaliva Mixed Farm. Follow for more.